Welcome to a Customs and Standards Primer, Part 2. Some parts of this course may be a little out of date, but I'll try to get to updating them as soon as I can. Even so, if you watched Part 1 of this course, I hoped you liked it, as much as I enjoyed making it. Everything in this day and age changes so quickly, but I do feel my videos, even the old ones, are still of some interest, and with some educational value. My videos are all processed and stored on YouTube, and I keep very old videos available, if I feel they have, at least some value, as a historic record. But accuracy isn't my main goal. The important point here is not whether this fact or that definition has changed, but rather, whether or not the subject matter grabs you, and holds your attention. If you decide to do your own research, and you will need to do that, especially if you are considering getting into this field, then hopefully my videos will make your reading on the subject a bit easier to digest. And if that is the case, then my biggest goal here is fulfilled. But, if you are still wondering, are these videos for me? So, here we are. Part 2. Still for beginners, or anyone simply looking to pass the time. And with Part 2, as with Part 1, I strive to maintain an introductory feel to my videos. As a beginner, I hope you find my approach to be broad, general, and accessible. Do I need to have watched all of Part 1 before watching Part 2? It's not entirely necessary to complete Part 1 before starting Part 2, but I do recommend that you do. But I just want something to keep me entertained. With Part 2, as with Part 1 of this course, even if you have no intention of importing or exporting commercial goods, and hardly anyone actually does, hopefully, you may still find these videos both accessible and interesting enough to enjoy for the sake of whiling away some time, whether in the privacy of your own home, or whilst on a short bus or train journey perhaps. If you decide to continue though, you do need to both watch and listen. You can pause or rewind to catch up if you need to. But these videos are not suitable to watch if you are driving, operating heavy machinery, or water skiing off a ruddy shark. My qualifications? Good question. Well, none. As beginners, we learn together. I still have no expertise or real-life experience in this subject. I just find it interesting. Hurrah! So, whether you simply want to watch and enjoy the ride, or whether you want to keep a close and critical eye on my work, you will see I stick close to official guidance, and although my interpretations may not exactly match your reading, hopefully you'll agree that my intention is earnest enough. So, as a beginner, I hope my learning, warts and all, in some way, supports your learning. So, what's next? Somewhere after this video, I have a short video that asks what is an EOI number, and how do I get one. The rest of the videos, in Part 2, are grouped under the following themes. The 2020 approach to the 2021 UK border. Hire an agent. Customs declarations. Customs procedures and special procedures. And there are a handful of videos under each of these titles. So, plenty of material to keep you occupied. And if the subject of overseas trade is brand new to you, then you are in the right place, but take note that Part 2 is still a work in progress, so more videos will follow in due course. Hurrah! So, if you are happy to continue, let's start the next video. You can access Twalls Club videos, set with background music, from https://twalls.club. Or, go to the Twalls Club channel on YouTube to access videos without music. And at all times, good health and cheer, to you and yours. Cool.